Good morning to everyone. First of all, myself, I Arun Kumar, M.Pharm, post from Department of Pharmaceutics, Karpamgarja Pharmacy, Coimbatore. This is my fourth journal presentation. My presentation title is Formulation of Thermoresponsive and Backo-adhesive Gel of Treatment of Oral Thrush containing Itraconazole. Oral thrush is nothing but a oral candidiasis. Now, some details about this article. The author name of this article is Jayaraj Kumar. The journal name is Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research. Volume number is 2. Page number is 116 to 122. The year of the publication is 2010. In this slide, I mention the abstract of this article. The aim of the present work is to formulate and evaluate the in situ oral topical gel of itraconazole based on temperature induced system for treatment of oral candidiasis. Itraconazole is a major drug used to treatment of this oral candidiasis. Now, the aim of the article is to formulate a temperature induced system. So, thermosensitive polymer is used for this preparation or formulation. In this system, using polaxamer. This polaxamer is a thermosensitive gelling agent or polymer. Along with carbopol. Carbopol is used as a polymer, drug release, and itraconazole. The formulation were evaluated for physicochemical parameter, gelation temperature, viscosity, gel strength, content uniformity, mucoadhesive force, FTIR and DSE. Now, introduction. Oral candidiasis are nothing but a oral thrush. It is the most common fungal infection in oral cavity. Pathological condition affecting the oral mucosa. The conventional formulation like rinses, mouthwash, creams, ointment, suspension are mainly used for treatment of this oral candidiasis. But the conventional formulation should not be effective because the resistant time is very low. So mucoadhesive treatment is used for oral candidiasis. One way to improve the efficacy of eradicating the infection to the driver to antifungal locally, the oral cavity as a or oral cavity. Therefore, researchers have prepared the reported new formulations such as gels, mucoadhesive tablets, pH sensitive, temperature induced in situ gel, etc. In this slide, I mentioned some materials about this preparation or formulation. Polaxamer 188. It is a thermosensitive gelling agent or polymer, were kindly gifted by a pharmaceutical private limited, Bombay. Itraconazole was used as a standard. Itraconazole is a drug material. It is used to treatment of some fungal infection. Dry carbopol 934 and 2-ethyl 2-methyl pyridone was supplied by a Merck Mumbai. Methylparaben were gifted by a Fort India Chennai. All other chemicals should be analytical grade. In this slide, I mentioned the method of preparation. Different formulations were prepared by various ratio of polaxamer and carbopol. Different concentration of polaxamer and carbopol is used as a different formulations. Step 1. The method involved addition of polaxamer and methylparaben was solubilized in required quantity of cold distilled water. Polaxamer and methylparaben is mixed with cold distilled water. Then the required quantity of carbopol. Carbopol is a polymer. Is kept in overnight in swelling. After swelling, the polymer solution is taken in a beaker with continuous stirring by using magnetic stirrer until uniform solution is formed. The third step is after the mixture had been kept at ambient temperature. Ambient temperature is nothing but a preparation temperature in surrounding area. So the solution is kept on ambient temperature for 24 hours. After small amount of triethanolamine was added to adjust the pH 7. Triethanolamine is used to enhance the gelling property. Step 4. To appropriate amount of itraconazole. Itraconazole is a drug. Itraconazole should not dissolve in water. So, appropriate amount of itraconazole solubilized in physiologically compatible solvent such as 2-methyl 2-pyrrolidine with continuous stirring until the uniform drug solution is obtained. Thermo-reversible gel were prepared using cold technique. Step 5. The drug solution was added to performed gel before in vitro studies. This is a preparation of thermostatic in situ gel. In this slide, the optimized formulations of formulations. First one is itraconazole, poloxamer 188, carbapol, 2-ethyl 2-pyrrolidine. It is a solvent of itraconazole, so quantity sufficient. Then methylparaffin and triethanolamine. These are the some materials, and then optimized formulation should be mentioned. To evaluation of buccal gel, the primary evaluation test is gelation temperature. The gelation temperature was determined by heating the solution like 1 to 2 minutes at test tube at gentle stirring until the gel was formed. The temperature should be noted. This is the gelation temperature. Gelation temperature is nothing but a temperature based gel. When upon enhancing temperature, the gel was formed. Then determination of pH. The pH of the gel was determined by using a calibrated pH meter. The reading was taken average of 3 samples. In this slide I mentioned measurement of gel strength. It is a gel strength apparatus. The sample of 50 gram of gel was taken or placed in a 100 ml measuring cylinder, and gel is a thermostat at 37 degrees Celsius. The gel strength, which means the viscosity of the gels at physiological temperature, was determined by a time. In apparatus took zinc 5 cm down through the prepared gel. The measurement of gel strength should be measured like viscosity. Determination of mucoadhesive force. It is a very important measurement of mucoadhesive gel. It is a modified apparatus. In this line, B modified mucoadhesive strength apparatus. The B in the sense it is a weight dividing area, and C in the sense C is a ampules, like 2 rubber band is there, like upper and down portion of the apparatus. In between the 2 rubber band, the inner mucosa check was placed. The chicken mucosa were collected from the salter house and should be cleaned. Then the vial which check was connected to the balance to inverted position. The first vial was placed as a height and adjust the band. The oral gels is placed in between the 2 vials and should be checked. The weight should be added on the B compartment, and the mucoadhesive force should be noted. In this slide I mentioned diffusion study. The France diffusion cell is used for the diffusion study. The France diffusion cell is having a donor compartment and receptor compartment. The buccal membrane is isolated from the coat oral cavity. Then the membrane is clean and add gentamicin solution. Why? Because to inhibit the bacterial growth. Then the phosphate buffer 6.6 is used as a diffusion medium of this diffusion study. After that, the membrane is placed between the donor and receptor compartment. Then the our prepared formulation gel was placed on the membrane. The diffusion medium is now run to donor compartment to receptor compartment. The sample is collected by particular period of time. Then it should be evaluated by 254 nanometer by using UV spectrometry. Then the drug content should be mentioned. So the drug release pattern should be mentioned. This is result and discussion of this article. There are 3 formulations that. The first formulation is pH is 7 and the viscosity of the gel is 30943. The content uniformity is 98% of drug should be uniformed. The mucoadhesive force is dynes per centimeter 3573.12 dynes per centimeter. The gel strength is 102. The other 2 formulations should be mentioned. The author concluded this article. It is a temperature based system. In upon first 6 formulation, the temperature of the like gelling temperature or gelation temperature is below 25 degrees Celsius. Our body temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. In below 35 degrees Celsius, there are no use for this preparation. Only 3 formulation it should be make gelation temperature is above 60. Above 60 in the sense it is a very high temperature, so our body should not obtain this that particular temperature. So Carbopol 934 shown a permeation enhancing effect. So the author concluded this article, the form of above result can be concluded the temperature mediated in situ gelling mucoadhesive buccal gel of itraconazole can be formulated using optimum quantity of polaxamer 188 and Carbopol 934. When gelling temperature is high, the concentration of polaxamer and Carbopol is also high. So correct combination of this polaxamer and Carbopol is used as a correct gelling agents, and both are having increased the buccal resistance time and patient comfort. Thank you.